Papercraft Essentials magazine. This is issue 171. Now you know there's going to be tons of projects. As a matter of fact, 126 in this issue. But what are the goodies, you might ask? Well, let me show you. This has a bit of everything. There is an embossing folder. You can see it right there. There are sentiment stamps. You can see Happy Birthday, Easter, Mother's Day, and some bees. And then also a cutting die with this lovely bird, as well as some flowers and sprigs, and even an example right here. Now, in addition, now this is called the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. So this is a licensed product being used with that look. So in addition, there are papers and cutouts. The cutouts number 31, and then there are 12 double-sided papers. Now, one of the things about these sheets of cutouts is that the back side is also printed. So you can use that. If you want to use this, just trim them out, or you've got the pattern paper so you don't lose whatsoever. So there are 2 sheets of this, 2 sheets of this, and 2 of each one that I'm going to show you. Again, they're double-sided. So one side has a little bit more color. The back side is more of a tone-on-tone, just like these. So there you go. So very much nature inspired, but with a very elegant touch. And there we go. So 2 of all of those. They are all A4 size. Now let's get into the magazine and see what's going on. Now, I did want to point out that this is an advertisement, but we have this whole collection from our friends at Crafters Companion, so another British company, so nice to tell you that. And here is some of the cards for the inspiration, the Edwardian inspiration. So here's a collage of them, and then we turn the pages and you can see them each up close and in person. And I like the fact that they're using some also movable dies, and you know that we have our die cut cards, so that will make it even easier. Isn't that just lovely? So, so pretty. And let me flip here. We've got some more. This is really a different one, and this is using the paper with one of the cutouts also, so that's interesting. And you can see just a variety of looks, more than I really would have thought about. And I love using that embossing folder and then bringing in the stamps or the die cuts, whatever you want into that. So this is going to be really useful. In fact, I think all of these are very useful. Now, there is a section in here about making surprise slider cards. So that's a nice bit of information too to have, and nice to have it in this collection. Now we're going back into our prize with the magazine. Isn't that pretty, onto the front of a gift bag? And that's really striking, don't you think? And yes, there's just such lovely, lovely looks that you can get with this set, and I really appreciate having that. So this is part or all of what you get in Papercraft Essentials issue 171 from our friends across the pond, and it is a Paper Wishes exclusive.